So we're now ready to commence the design of our hexapod. Now, with a multi-part, multi-component assembly such as this, there's a couple of different approaches that we can take in Fusion 360. The first one is we might want to design each of the individual elements of this overall assembly as separate components and then bring them all together in one master assembly. And in some CAD software, that's the structure that you have to create a multi-component design such as this. But in Fusion 360 you also have the opportunity to actually design all of the components as separate parts but in situ. Now in this project we're actually going to use a mixture of both, just so that you can see both in action, and then you can choose when you do go on to create your own projects which is the one that you want to choose. And what we're going to do is we're going to start this particular design as an assembly concentrated around the central portion of the hexapod. So these components running through the core of the hexapod we're going to create in an assembly file. These 6 legs are going to be designed as separate parts in a sub-assembly file which we will then import into the main assembly file. So that's the approach that we're going to take, and what we're going to do is we're going to start in the next video with the design of this upper base plate.